In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your contacts in Yahoo Mail. Whether you've accidentally deleted some of your contacts or just need to revert to a previous version from a while back, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First things first, you'll want to sign in to your Yahoo Mail account using a web browser. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. Comfort with navigating the interface will make the process smoother and more intuitive as we proceed. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the contacts icon. It usually resembles a silhouette or an address book. Go ahead and click on that icon to access your contacts section. This area holds all the essential details of the people you have saved in Yahoo, making it a crucial hub for managing your connections. Once you're within the contacts frame, look for the option labeled More Options. It might also appear as a gear icon, depending on your particular interface. Clicking this will present you with a variety of settings and options related to your contact management. Here's where the magic happens for restoring your previous contact information. Now, among the options displayed, you should see Restore Contacts. This is the key feature we'll be using to turn back the clock on your contact list, enabling you to recover any data that might have gone missing or was accidentally deleted. After clicking Restore Contacts, you'll be prompted to choose a time frame from which you'd like to restore your contacts. Yahoo Mail conveniently offers restoration of contacts up to 90 days in the past, giving you a considerable window to recover any lost information. Take a moment to decide which date best suits your recovery needs, and simply select that time frame. Finally, with your preferred date selected, click Restore. Yahoo Mail will then proceed to recover your contacts and revert your list to its state on the date you specified. You'll soon find your contacts restored successfully as they were back on that particular date, bringing back the connections you thought might have been lost forever. And there you have it, a straightforward way to recover your contacts in Yahoo Mail and ensure you maintain those valuable connections without worry. Keep in mind that the restoration process may take a short while to reflect in your account, so patience is key. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks around managing your digital life. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!